Hi guys, another update on the Rowing 8 as I'm calling it. I've given it a couple of coats of varnish, which is why it's gone a little bit yellowy coloured. I really ought to rub it down in between the coats just to give it an extra smooth finish. But I'm not too worried about that, to be honest. If I was a perfectionist, that's what I would have done. I printed these. And the idea is I'm going to glue them there and there. And then I'm going to fill that section and that section with expanding foam. I'm going to build it up in small layers, because I've recently tried to do a big infill with the expanding foam, and because I did it all in one go, the middle of the foam didn't cure, it was still liquid. So I'm just going to squirt a little bit in, let it expand overnight, and then do a little bit more the next day. So that's today's plan. Glue them in and put a little bit of foam in there. Right, we're in the garage. We've got Gorilla Filler from Poundland. No, it's more than £1. I think it was £2.50 off the top of my head. I've got a pipe cleaner to shove up in there when we've finished, because that means there's a fighting chance of using it again a second time. If it all seals up in there, there's not a lot you can do about it. I'm going to give it a little spray with water first. I'm looking on the instructions and I can't see that it says that anywhere. But I remember with ones I've used in the past, it does say wet it first. I'm in trouble. Oh, oh well. For some reason it wasn't coming out well, and then it all came out in one go. So that's going to be more than I need. In theory, that's not going to go around the corner. again. That's as good as we're going to get. It does say you can clean it with acetone. So that'll do for now. We'll come back later and see what we need to do to tidy it up. Well, the acetone helped. I was able to actually push that right the way through then, once I'd squirted it with a bit of acetone. Except that that's now left a little bit of this blue stuff in there. Oh. Still better than it was. I think I'm going to have to come back tomorrow to see how that looks. I do think I'm going to have to fill in a few bits. Thanks for watching. If you want more information, check down below in the video description. If you like this video, you might like this one up here. And if you want to subscribe, you can check out my channel over here. Up here is my latest video on my channel, and down here is a video playlist associated with the video you've just watched. Thanks again for watching.